Hi guys, so in this new tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram login problem. So actually there is two ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to go to the settings of your phone and then open the apps manager and then click on Instagram like this and then go to the storage, click on this clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Instagram and then you have to click on this update option right here, because sometimes the problem is just from the update, so make sure to get the latest version of Instagram. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you have one last thing to do is just remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.